Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing and flip through video. I am super excited for this one, and yes, I know it's the second video of the day, but I am just so excited because this literally just came to my house. It just released. I'm super excited. I have been waiting for this for so long. So this is Messages from the Mermaids by Karen K with artwork by Linda Olsen. It's 44 cards with a guidebook and it is published by Hay House. Retails for $19.99. If you already don't know about the Oracle of the Fairies or the Fairy Oracles, I can't remember what it's called. I will link it either in the card part up here or in the description box below. But Karen K did a beautiful Oracle of Fairies themed, and I love it. I use it a lot in my pick-a cards, so I'm super excited about this one. So let's get into it. On the back it says, mermaids are the elemental guardians of the sea. They excel in matters of the heart and emotions and wish to share their watery wisdom with the human realm. This beautiful 44 card deck offers gentle yet direct solutions to any challenges you might be facing, as well, and will guide you to a more harmonious way of living. So dive into this mystical world, open your heart to the mermaids, and trust that miraculous transformations can happen. All right, so $19.99, published by Hay House. It is your standard open top box here. And when you fully open your heart and mind to the mermaids, miraculous transformations can happen. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Ugh, I can't. Okay. We'll put you aside. All right, before we get into the cards, flipping through them, let's give this guidebook a once over. So with contents, we have Mermaids and Me, Wisdom of the Mermaids, about this deck and guidebook, how to work with your cards, and then we have stuff going along with that, practicing protection techniques, working with card spreads, and then your first reading and other ways to use the card. And then it goes into each card's meanings here. So let's see. Talks about her and the mermaids. There's a little mermaid poem. All right. Each card offers easy to follow, gentle guidance so that you can interpret what the messages mean to you on a personal level and spiritual level. The messages are encouraging, uplifting, and positive, and offer gentle yet direct solutions to any challenges you might be facing. Trust the process and rest assured that the wisdom you receive will be exactly what you need at any given time, even if the message comes as a surprise. The beautiful artwork will also trigger your intuition, so enjoy allowing your imagination to run free as you learn to interpret the cards intuitively. There's no right or wrong way to read the cards. You'll find your own way as you handle and work with them on a regular basis. You can also use the cards to give readings for others, and I've included 3 of my favorite card spreads later in this guidebook. My intention is that you dive into this mystical world and absorb some of the mermaid's timeless wisdom into your daily life. All right, so basically, what I love about this is that you can do with this deck whatever you want, as far as you can read them however you want. You can use a definition in the guidebook, or you can, make up your own. So we have, let's see, we have the past, present, and future. Then we have this, I can never say it right, seashell. If I say it too fast, it comes out seashell spiral spread, which looks interesting. Then we have the starfish. Oh my goodness, so cute. Okay, so those are those 2. And then other ways to use the cards. Let's just read that real fast. I know you guys are itching. All right, while the cards are primarily designed to be used for readings, you can also work with individual cards for inspiration. If the energy of a particular card resonates with you, you might like to place it on your mermaid altar. This will allow the mermaid's message and energy of the card to imbue your space on a deeper level. Alternatively, you can place a specific card or cards inside a book to use as a marker. If using the cards in this way, it's important to remember to return the cards to the deck before conducting a reading. Or you may wish to acquire a duplicate deck for more general use. Be creative when you work with the cards. Oh, well, that's interesting. Okay, let's get into it. I'm too excited. Yay. Oh my goodness, look at the back. I'm loving it. All right. Already out the gate, we have some diversity. Yes, love it. This artwork is actually extremely gorgeous. All right, let's see. Yep, we've got gloss, so you'll see my ring light reflection there. They are the same thickness as her Oracle of the Fairies. No complaints there. Absolutely stunning artwork. Ah, gorgeous. They feel good in the hand. They're a great size. Oh, look at even more different body types. Yes. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, I know I say this a lot, but I absolutely mean it. Tarot, Oracle, they're for everyone. So it's important that we get to see ourselves represented in the artwork. That way we can relate to it a little bit more, or your clients can relate to it a little bit more. So whenever I see a lot of different body types, different shapes, colors, all of that, it's so refreshing to see. It's so important. We talked about diversity with the Star Spinner deck. We talked about diversity in the Modern Witch Tarot deck. So it is important. I know it's important to a lot of people out there because I continue to get comments like, yes, this is truly important. So the fact that more and more decks that are coming out are being inclusive is fantastic. It's phenomenal, and I'm super excited about it. Everybody deserves to see themselves represented in some way. So this is absolutely awesome to see. This artwork is gorgeous, guys. It's so pretty. Oh, I love this one. Oh, the messages on the card here. So they're not numbered. There are no borders, which is also great because you get the full view of the card with the art. The messages here are great. Again, I love that it's just, you know, a word or a couple words on here because then you can interpret it the way that you would like. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is definitely beginner friendly as far as just the cards go. We'll look at the guidebook, and with her last guidebook, I'm sure it's going to be just fine for beginners. So, oh, look, there's a male again giving me, actually, he looks kind of like, oh gosh, what's his face from The Walking Dead that everybody likes? The one that's kind of rogue. I haven't seen The Walking Dead since like season 2. So, Daryl? I think his name's Daryl. Let me know down in the comment section if you see what I see. Go with the flow. Cute. Oh, I love this one too. I love the peacefulness of it. Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited. Like, I was kind of getting worried, like, oh, maybe it's going to be like every other deck, every other mermaid deck. It's going to be like, you know, super kitschy or whatever. I am so happy. It was well worth the wait because the artwork is just stunning. First of all, it's inclusive. And I love that there are no borders. I love that it's just one word. Oh, it's just so beautiful. They look like oil paintings, or is it called gouache? Gouache? I don't know. I'm not an artist. I'm creative, not an artist. They're just so beautiful. And each one is like a different energy and a different feel with the art. Oh, wow. Okay, giving me Triton vibes. King Triton. So if you haven't noticed, I'm a bit of a mermaid fan. The Little Mermaid is my favorite Disney movie of all time. So anything mermaids, I'm all about. So I try to snatch them up quick. Oh, this is so cool. So I'm really happy that this deck is amazing. I mean, I was not disappointed with her Fairy Oracle, so I was super pumped. Super pumped. I love the different themed cards here. I guess that's what I'll say. These would be perfect for your daily pulls, your daily meditations, yoga. something to like put your focus in, or maybe what you're lacking, maybe what you need to work on. Simply gorgeous. Oh, okay. Let's see how they shuffle. I'm going to tell you right now that they shuffle just fine. Yep. So with this particular deck, I see my ring light in there. It did not stick together. The cards did not stick to each other. So even though it is glossy, they didn't stick to each other as I was flipping through. Love it. They snap back. Let's see. Oh, and they're perfect for hand shuffling like this. They're not sticking together. They're all going individual ways. Perfect. Okay, can I get a card, please, to pull? Just one card. Are you going to fly out? Please and thank you. No? Okay, well. Yeah, this is just absolutely fun to shuffle with. And okay, sometimes, oh, there we go, letting go. So they aren't numbered. I'm assuming that they are alphabetical in here, but you know what they say when you say, I assume. Yeah, they are alphabetical. So letting go, page 80, use your table of contents. That's what it's there for. Perfect. Okay. Keep hope in your heart by letting go. It's possible to salvage something you thought was lost by releasing any attachments and letting go. This mermaid wants you to know the power of letting go. If love leaves your life, remember to count the beautiful blessings of the impact that this love had on you. It's easy and normal to feel bitter or angry, but this will only delay the process of healing your tender heart. Try to forgive and surrender any pain or feelings of loss. Allow your tears to flow as you let go of what was and embrace what will be. Letting go can be challenging, but with this release comes a greater and deeper joy as time heals any sadness. If the love lost refers to a partner or spouse, know that your relationship was part of your divine destiny. It's helped lead you to the place you are in now. If you're letting go of love lost from a family member or the end of a friendship, know that that destiny never gets it wrong. Everyone has a right amount of time with you on this planet. Counting the blessings gained from your connection helps to heal the feelings of sadness and loss as you let go. Love lost may also apply to a beloved pet or an animal companion. Animal lovers feel the loss of love deeply too, and the process of healing is the same. Take the time to remember the happy times and feel the divine blessings from your connection. Saying this affirmation can help with the process of letting go. I'm open to the swift and total healing of my heart as I practice letting go so that I may embrace the golden future that awaits. Beautiful. Okay, yes. So I stand by my statement that this is great for beginners. I am absolutely happy, so beyond happy with this deck. The cardstock is great. Had no issues with anything. I love the artwork so much. Like, a few of these I would love to have as paintings, like, I'm not gonna lie. This deck is so versatile because of the fact that it just has a phrase like letting go, or it has one word. So you can really use your intuition and interpret it or use this deck however you might want to. It's great for young and old. It's great for using it however you want to. I'm so excited about that. I love versatile decks. So if you are connecting with this in any way, if you love what you see, I highly suggest getting your hands on it. You're not going to be disappointed. I know I'm not. So if you're a mermaid lover, this is definitely a beautiful, beautiful deck. It's got diversity, inclusivity, it's got heart. It is really gentle and sincere. I feel like it's very much a peaceful deck. It's kind of one of those decks where it's like, it has like a soft energy about it. It's not going to hit you in the face with answers. It's going to just gently tell you, which is fantastic. Like, going through it again, I know there's just a couple male cards, but quite honestly, If you think about mermaids, you think about it as more of a gentle feminine energy, more so than you think of it as a masculine energy. So it's great that there is some masculine cards in there. However, most of the time, if you're searching for a mermaid deck, there is going to be more of that sensual or femininity in the decks as well. So I digress. Point being, $19.99, well worth the price tag. It's a great price tag for the quality, for the information, for the fact that you can use it however you want. I am super happy about it. I will link in the description box everywhere I know that you can purchase this deck. They're not affiliated links, and I am not sponsored or paid for this review. I just was super excited and wanted to share with you. So let me know what you think down in the comment section. I always love reading your comments, and I love you guys so much. It's so awesome to see this little community come together, and I love it so much, and I'm grateful every day for you guys. Like I'm starting to recognize a few of you, and it's fantastic. I feel like I'm talking to my besties, and I love it. So thank you so much for that. I really do enjoy this whole process. So again, if you are excited about this, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me, so you can get first looks at all these fun decks. All right, everyone, have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.